guys, Long Rangers. It's been a long couple of months, but a lot of fun, a lot of great submissions. I'd like to thank everyone who's participated. I think it's been a great turnout. We've had over 200 submissions to the Long Rangers.
Awesome. Yeah, we've had some pretty neat ones too. We've had some cool shots with springers. I think our longest shot has been 350 yards with the 357 cal Texan.
350 yards, yeah.
It's the Up North Airgunner on YouTube.
Is that a world record?
I don't know if it's a world record, but that's a heck of a shot. I mean,
it's a world record now.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a world record golf ball shot.
Golf ball shot with an air gun? That's got to be some sort of world record.
350 yards with a 357 Texan. It's pretty great.
Yeah.
So.